Yo, what up? Cyber Carnage 4, your boy Lubes versus Denali. Kinda hurt my feelings there, bro. Nah, fuck that. Boy, let's go. So listen, squall, you feeling like you big and tall. Meanwhile, I'm the one who 5'5" and always had the bigger balls. Always been the one the bitches call first. And you right, my ego's tall, so when we both ball, you always been the small person. I hate to break your heart, but today's Instagram pics of your whip look the same as yesterday's. You post pics of your whip parked and title them Getting Paid. That shit is lame, and as your friend, I feel maybe that I should explain. If you spend every buck you make on your whip, then obviously your life couldn't change. When it comes to that late 90s whip, I'm convinced he likes taking all kinds of pics more than he likes driving it. Overcompensating for his dick, more specifically, the lack of size with it. I'll admit that I'd be pissed too if I was him and I just spent all my chips on a China whip that didn't move. You calling me a stepfather? I guess that shit is honestly true. It don't bother me, dude. To tell you the truth, you've been such a little bitch lately. I still feel like I'm stepfathering you. Best to watch what you do when you talking to Lubes. If I'm not in the mood, it's nothing for me to catch a body or two. And it's fair to say without you, I wouldn't have tracks out. It's fair to say without me, you always would have backed down. And I wasn't gonna play that broke card. We both know you stay maxing out that gold card, spending every dollar earned on that motherfucking old car. And Dave, you were just working on your whip. Be honest. So it wasn't spit, he's still just trying to get the grease off him. Yeah, right, I'm a carpenter. I stay steady making these caskets. You a garbage man, so please come and empty this basket. I've been steadily at it, I stay beheading these faggots. On my grind day to day, you got your head in a trash bin. When it comes to battle rap, you need to accept you a has-been. When you and KOTD get mentioned, it's only in the past tense. Lacking, homie, and you slacking. Get home from work at 2, homie, then you napping. Homie so phony, but an OG when he rapping. In real life, he's so lonely, stroke his baloney till he naps again.